So the new European season is about to start, and I've been doing my pre-season training in the Predator Club Sala firm ground football boots by Adidas in the black and white red colorway. These retail for £55 here in the UK, and I picked these up from Amazon for £34. It comes in a black Adidas box wrapped in white paper, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. The Adidas Predator Club Sala offers a nice grip and responsiveness for your court demands. Its low profile slanted tongue design helps you remain planted and locked in. The Predator rubber overlay stripes on the medial sides adds extra precision to every pass or strike, with even micro Predator branding on the lateral free stripes. This product is also available with a fold over tongue for the classic look. It's a nice beginner level court shoe that works for other court sports like squash, badminton, and etc. I've been trying to work on playing more sports, do more cardio activities to help my mobility and just my overall health. I recommend staying true to size. It has a standard fit. I was a bit worried about the narrow design, but it fits quite wide foot friendly. Overall, it's light with a soft padded lining. However, the synthetic uppers, I worry a bit about the durability, but I have to see how they hang up after a year. As usual, I'll leave purchase links in my YouTube video description. Drop a like and comment striker to show me you enjoyed this video. Now let's discuss, what football boots do you train in? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Apart from that, have a good day.